Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c:" and simply press enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter.
Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter.
Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter.
Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /system32 /config regback and simply hit enter to execute the command.
Now execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Type attrib c:/boot /bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now type run space c:/ /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.